morning everybody. Today we are going to draw object drawing for elementary as well as intermediate field. So let's start up your video by drawing a border. Take a distance of 1 centimeter or 2 centimeter as per your requirement and draw a border line. After drawing border line, draw 3 slipping lines. 1, 2 and 3. You should draw freehand drawings because mechanical devices like scale is not allowed for the exams. Now draw flattened oval shape. After drawing oval shape, draw another flattened oval shape overlapping each other. Now join the edges and darken the part which you want. Now the 3 standing lines are in their position. Now take an equal distance from the side and draw slanting lines till the ends. After drawing slanting lines, join the base line. After joining the base line, draw a curved border at the bottom. Then, in the center of the middle line, draw a handle. Okay, now erase the all lightened part with your eraser. Now see, your bucket is ready. Now let's come to a coloring part, which is we are taking few poster colors, which is cobalt blue, white, Persian blue and black. Remove them in a particular palette and start with your drawing. So I have taken here cobalt blue. Take a flattened brush which is your comfortable. Spread it evenly. As per we draw by the 3 compartments, draw in the such compartments only. Now our cobalt blue work is finished. Now we are going with the cerulean blue. The even tone should come towards your drawing, which attracts the examiner more. Now the cerulean blue work is done. Now we are going with white color. So it is totally depend on you which color do you like to draw a bucket. So I like blue shade, so I continue with blue. If you like green shades, you can continue with green. Take care that your color should not go out of the borders. Always try to paint in a vertical or in a horizontal way as per your comfort zones. Now our base is ready. Now we are going with the border line and two flattened zones that we have drawn earlier. So it depends on light where we have to use the white color. If your light is from this side, you can use white color towards this side, and if your light is from the front side, so you can use white over this side. Now we are going with a dark color for the borders. Okay, so our last border is done. Now we are going from the top. So in the middle of this, our light is coming from this side. From inside, it will come towards this side. So we have to start the darken shade from here. So take Persian blue, then cobalt blue, mix them properly, and white over here. Let it dry. Then the middle portion is left. Again for the middle portion we are going for some dark shades, which is Persian blue. Do not draw the object too small or too big. Always carry a tissue or a rough cloth to wipe your brush or paint. Now after drying this, we are giving some more shading to the bucket. So basically our bucket is ready. Now we are going for the handles. So handle will come in black or as your favorite color. So in the center we have drawn the handle. Just paint it out and draw a curved line from towards here. If you are not visible with the pencil lines that we have drawn earlier, you can draw freehand also, and you can draw again after finishing your drying your paint. So here our bucket is ready. Let's add borders to these small borders. And in still life, you can border with the sketch pen or something others. You should do everything with the paint. So here our bucket is ready.